Favorite place you've traveled to?
Favorite place I've traveled? I love Jamaica. I love Jamaica. Oh my God, the food in Jamaica. I'm definitely gaining a couple of pounds, but I love to eat. I love to go to the clubs and dance all night. I just love Jamaica.
Where are you going?
Jamaica.
In New York?
Yeah, in a this flower store.
Yeah.
Oh my God, if we could have just wanna. How much you want of the cane?
It depends for me. I think you
Who want one sweet cane? This one, this sweet. Yeah, you can see this sweet.
On social media.
All right. Why? So you think we are make money off of social media?
Why not?
Huh? Well, me not make now.
And the sauce, you know, babes.
Wait, we have to make sure so they can't sweet, you know, please.
Auntie Gloria. Say hi, Auntie Gloria.
Some daughter.
Monsieur a professeur, it's your profile picture, you know.
It's yours. Take it. Beside baby. What do you want it? Beside baby.
You ready?
Okay guys, so last night I got in, I was very hungry. I didn't want any fast food. I'd eaten patty, KFC, everything on the road. So the day before I pick up some saltfish, we get some ackee, you know, me buy ackee downtown. And you know, I just did some yellow yam and dumpling and ackee and saltfish. Mostly saltfish, but it is so good, especially the yam. The yam tastes so good. Nice. So this is what I'm having right now. Nice. Ackee and saltfish, some dumpling, and that's it. Enjoying it. It's left over me eating from me eat some last night, and then this I'm having for breakfast. I'm enjoying Jamaica, but it's so hot. It's very hot. Very, very hot, but I'm getting ready. Like in an hour or two, I'm gonna find something fun to do. So stay tuned.
Yeah.
Jadian, look, come, hold the jerk chicken.
JJ got his jerk chicken.
Hold the jerk chicken.
Hold it.
Wait.
Chicken.
Hold the chicken. You can't keep? Come. Come, hold it.
One pot.
One
Oh, wait, what is it again? Chicken foot?
Chicken foot, cow skin and goat head.
Wow.
Bread.
Wow.
I'm going to make one.
Hi, Bubsy, Bubsy.
Say hi, mommy. Say hi. It's 350.
351.
Yeah.
Oh, that's weird for me to take a photo.
I'm going to
My camera not working, so give me your phone.
Let me see ice cream. Roman raisin, right?
Yeah. Butterfly, I'm belly full, sweet Jamaica.
Hi. You don't want no Starbucks, right?
No Starbucks.
JJ, you want Starbucks? It's in your system already. Coffee in your system. Bururu, bururu.
Okay, so guys, I'm on my way to the country. I'm gonna cook curry chicken back and roast breadfruit. So that's what I'm on my way to the country to do right now. It's gonna be good. So I'm around the that's what I'm doing. Beautiful scenery, beautiful greenery, mountain, fresh and green. I don't want to show the pum pum rock, but we pass it. I think it's covered with overgrown trees, so I didn't see it. So you want nice skin? Hello everyone, welcome to Angie's Cooking, where we cook anything. Well, today I'm gonna cook from Kingston, Jamaica. Yeah, I'm in Jamaica and I'm gonna cook. Hello everyone, welcome to Angie's Home Cooking, where we cook anything. Well, today guys, I'm gonna cook from Kingston, Jamaica, country. Yes, I'm gonna do roast breadfruit and curry chicken back. I'm gonna do it on wood fire. I'm gonna do it. So I soon make up my wood fire. I'm gonna cook from the wood fire. Well, it's raining now, and it was very hot early on. Now it's raining, so I'm a little cooler, but sort of exhausting. So stay tuned. Let me cook up my chicken back, and let me prepare my chicken back and the roast breadfruit. Okay, so guys, the chicken back, I just put it in some water, so I'm gonna clean it. So I'm gonna clean it and ready for prepare it. I show you. Okay. Guess what? 200 a pound for chicken back. Can you believe it? 200 some buy 4 pound of chicken back. I love chicken back. I mean, I love who I love it, but I love the bone. I don't want any chicken, tired of chicken. Tired of everything, tired of mutton, tired of oxtail. I just want chicken back today. Okay, so stay tuned. Huh?
What are you talking?
It's another other clip.
Nice.
Ome. Show them now.
Breadfruit. How they can sell them breadfruit? Just finish roast it. And these are nice. These are people, do you know that they have different kinds of breadfruit, different species of breadfruit? Yeah.
I know that.
But this is white and this is yellow. Yeah, they have different kind of breadfruit, don't? This one is yellow and this one tastes so good.
Which one?
The
yellow one.
So we're going to eat it now with chicken back.
Where you want to come down, go do? Eh?
Honey, what to do? I'm going to share one plate for them.
Share one plate for Kai and just share one plate for me. Me make them eat out of mine.
Oh, yeah. Kai should get a much plate. I want one small little plate, man.
What? Who for move you want to sit down? Eh?
I go now. One plate for Kai, one plate for... Yeah. But
Look at me. Yeah, tough one. How about it?
So where's spoon there?
Yeah?
Car.
That's it.
Car.
That's it.
Come in, have my whole packet tonight. Get up the shape.
Yeah, good one.
This is dinner for today. Boiled dumpling, roast breadfruit, and chicken back.